Every generation's winds align, awesome seemingly lent, he'll shine. But storm brews in the mountains, the chasm splits wide. The Northmen gather, rituals dark, blood is their tide. Chanting in hell, they call through the snow, into the depths where the ancient terrors grow. Lightning strikes, the heavens tear asunder. Kholek Comesoles stirs, the world quakes with thunder. A roar from the dark, the storms blacken the sun. Awakening once more, the cataclysm has begun. Herald of the tempest, the ancient storm is nigh. Cold wrath brings the sun to hide behind the sky.